Hey, what's going on, guys? So info repair today. I have a Note 10 Plus, and what's going on with it is the charging port. We're going to go ahead and we're going to replace that charging port. Let me show you guys that charging port now. And there's a charging port. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace just this part right here. Let's go ahead and let's get it started. Let's go ahead and run our soldering iron over it. We forgot to put some flux down. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put some solder on the connector itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's heat up the board and let's get the new connector in place. And I did move a few components, so I'm going to have to go ahead and put them back in place. Okay, and there it is, the charging port that we just replaced. We put it back into the Note and it's working. All right, guys, so here's the truth about that charging port. I did go ahead and I purchased one from a company, well-known company. They usually sell good parts. The parts is good. What it is for the Note and the Samsung phones, there's different ports for it, and I purchased the wrong one, and because of that the phone had no signal. So if you purchase one of these ports for Note 10 or Note 10 Plus or whatever phone, and you're getting weak signal after replacing it or no signal at all, it's probably the port, and the port is the wrong one. So go ahead and either purchase a new port or do the same job that I did, which is just replace just the micro type C port, or whichever port it is. Just replace just the small part and not the whole board which the port sits on. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.